Wala akong plano na i-vlog ito. Isang linggo na ang nakaraan. Naglalakad ako dito. Walang camera, walang plano. Gusto ko lang tapusin ang araw. Tapos nakita ko tong food truck. Japanese food. Quiet, no effort to pull you in. Nagtanong ako kung pwede bang bumalik para mag-shoot. Hindi kinabukasan at hindi rin agad-agad.
No other love can get me fired up.
But life got in the way. Pagkalipas na isang linggo, bumalik ako. Hindi ito fast food na nagpapanggap ng Japanese. May alam ang nagluluto rito. Makikita mo sa galaw ng kamay. No shortcuts, no performance, just repetition.
Got me in paradise. I kiss this love on mine. Yeah, the reason why I show up all the time. No games tonight. Yeah, we're gonna do this right.
Thank you, ah. So here, this is pinakadugay na ako ginapaabot. Food truck that serve Japanese ramen, baby. So colorful. The texture is so lovely. They have eggs. They have seashells, corn, and some sushi, and I don't know what exactly is this one. And they have squid, some vegetables. So let's taste the broth, ladies and gentlemen. The broth, baby, the sea of loveliness, of unlimited possibilities. Ooh, wow! Very rich. Iba talaga pag Japanese ramen, no? Kasi yung previous video ko, yung kumain ako sa isang Chinese restaurant sa may Santa Ana. Well, it's a very good noodle soup. It's a braised beef ramen. But iba talaga pag Japanese, eh. Iba talaga yung broth nila. I don't know exactly what kind of ramen is this, but let's taste all what's in here one by one. Pasensya naman sa akong mikrofon, ah. So
Pero gusto ka spicy?
oh, kalang ayos. We've got some. Hirap talaga pag wala microphone. Ay, butangan na nandito, no? Chili oil, no? Okay. Thank you. Now this is hot, spicy. Dungog ba? Oh yeah. Kapag kayo tanawa ng background ba, no? This is real street food, man. Japanese street food. Right here in Davao City. So we're gonna taste the noodles. Medyo very elusive yung kanilang noodles. Sarap. Sarap ng nila, noodles. Noodles nila. This must be egg noodles. Hindi naman ako marunong gumamit ng chopstick.
This one is I think this is the same as scallops. But it is, I think it's a seashell. I think, I don't know if this Filipino, I don't know if this is Filipino or Japanese seashell. Sarap. Very good. You have this little prawns or shrimp. Sarap. Sarap. Oh yeah. I'm happy again. You know, last week kasi nilakad ko to just for the sake of walking through it. You know, getting out of my comfort zone, pushing boundaries. The best way to travel is to travel on foot. So kaya na-discoveryhan ko ito. But then, you know, kanina, kasi last week, ang napansin ko kasi, ang ambience ng Catalonia Pequeño, medyo ano siya, medyo hindi siya masyado bright, medyo dim siya. Pero ngayon, I've discovered na okay naman pala. It seems like na parang yung mga ilaw last week hindi gumagana yung iba, kaya dim. Ngayon parang lahat ng mga street lights gumagana na. So I felt like I'm in the past. If anyone or some of you have read my essay, you know, hindi naman ako marunong gumamit to. Oh, the egg, man. Hindi kompleto ang ramen pag walang egg eh. Boiled egg. This is gonna be a very heavy meal. Broth nila, sarap. Oh yeah, that was good. Very good. They have the corn. Pwede ba chopstick ang corn? Oh, pwede oh. You know? Ayaw ko naman pala eh, oh. Here. Hirap itong ulang microphone. It's okay. Egg again. Kita nyo ba yung mga Japanese paano kumain ng ramen? Slurping all the way. Tapos hinawakan nila yung bowl, di ba? Yan oh. Oh yeah. Busog na ako ah. Oy, they have these vegetables over here. Repolyo pala. This is gonna be a long video, man. Yeah. Pinawisan ako. It means the soup is so good. Pagkano sa seafood? Ka-seafood ang lasa. Because most of the ingredients are seafoods. Nahirapan ako sa noodles, oh. Yeah. Hey, man. Tama ba to? Am I doing it right? There you go. Ano dito? Taste the broth again, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very heavy. Kung hindi ako nag-vlog ngayon, if there's no camera in front of me, ubos na ito ba? No kidding. So many customers tonight. Sa tabi may food truck rin. Like, I don't know if ang owner ay the same.
Tahimik, sigurado. Ang ramen na ganito hindi humihingi ng atensyon. Naghihintay lang. Una ang sabaw, sunod ang noodles, lahat susunod na lang. May mga masarap na pagkain na hindi nagpapakilala. Madaling palampasin. Lalo na kapag ikaw ay nagmamadali. Masaya akong bumalik.